Hello everyone, welcome to Study Logics channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss about the ICMR exam paper which was held on 3rd of this month. So in this video I'll talk about will they release any answer key and when they're gonna release the answer key or result PDF, and how many candidates they will select for skill test. So I'll discuss about this, and expected cutoff also I'll discuss in this video. If you like the video, please do like and please share it with your friends. Okay, let's start the video. I have talked with many candidates who have given the ICMR exam which was held on 3rd. They all told that the paper was easy to moderate. After talking to them, I have came to a final decision that the paper was not easy, it was moderate. Okay, because questions were easy, but coming to the answers, the answer was a bit tricky, the options were a bit tricky, and the some of the questions were also given wrong. So after talking to them, I'm telling you this, that the paper was moderate. Okay, and coming to the result PDF or answer key, when they will release the answer key. So let's talk about that. See, you can see it here. I have opened the notification PDF, page number 10 and 11. So here they have given, here you can see on the basis of written examination, candidates 5 times of the vacancies advised will be shortlisted. So you can expect, because there were 80 vacancies, so 80 into 5, so 400 candidates they'll call. Okay, they will call for a skill test and they'll shortlist 400 candidates for skill test. Okay, and next, when they release the answer key or result PDF, will they release answer key or result PDF directly? So let's talk about this point. So you can see here, so the result of the written examination of the shortlisting candidates will be uploaded through a notice on the website of the institute within 1 week of the date of holding a written examination. Okay, so by this we can conclude that they will release directly result PDF in which they will release only the selected candidates names or hall ticket numbers. So directly 400 hall ticket numbers or 400 candidates names they will release in the result PDF. They don't release any answer key. Okay, on 10th or 11th they'll release the result PDF in their websites, which are given below. You can see here, which are in blue color. So this is the official website. You can see the result PDF on 10th or 11th. Okay, so this is regarding the answer key and the number of candidates they select for skill test. Okay, and then we talk about the expected cutoff. I told you that I already spoke to many candidates, so I have talked with many other students also. I have another YouTube channel from South. So after talking to them, I'm doing this video. So according to me, the expected cutoff will be around, will go 60. Okay, this will be the good attempts if you have done with good accuracy. So 60 is a good attempt for OC candidate, so you can expect call for skill test. Okay, 60 if you have done with good accuracy, 95% accuracy. If you have done 60 plus attempts, you can expect call for skill test. This is for OC candidates, and if you are from OBC, if you have done 55 to 58 plus attempts with good accuracy, you can expect call for skill test. Okay, and then we talk about SC ST candidates. So around 52 to 54 will be the good attempts. If you have done 52 to 54 questions correctly with good accuracy, you can expect call for skill test. Okay, so this is the expected cutoff which I expect after talking to many other students. So any further updates regarding ICMR, I'll update you through the videos in our channel. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching.